In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the automatic send/receive not working in Outlook 2025. If you've been having trouble with your Outlook not automatically fetching or sending emails, you're in the right place. Let's go through a step-by-step process to resolve this issue, ensuring everything's set up correctly. First and foremost, ensure that your internet connection is stable. A disrupted or slow internet connection can interfere with Outlook's ability to send or receive emails automatically. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection for a more stable experience, or quickly restart your router to see if it makes a difference. Once your internet connection is verified and stable, let's check if your Outlook application is up to date. Outdated software might have glitches or bugs that prevent automatic operations from functioning properly. Navigate to the Help section within Outlook and check for updates. Follow any prompts to update to the latest version available. This ensures that any known issues with the previous versions are patched up. Next, ensure that your Microsoft 365 subscription is also current. Similar to Outlook, Microsoft regularly updates 365 packages to fix bugs and improve performance. Missing out on these updates might hinder some functions. You can verify and update Microsoft 365 by opening any Office app, going to File, then Account, and finding the update options. Now that we've covered the basic prep work and if everything checks out, let's perform a simple test email to ensure that the problem isn't tied to a specific email account or setup. Open your Outlook and navigate to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the New Email button. Click on it to create a new email. When the new email window appears, go ahead and fill out the essential fields. Enter a valid recipient email address in the To field. Choose a relevant subject line and draft a short message within the body. It doesn't need to be long, just something to test whether the send functionality is working. Once you've filled out these fields, click Send. Now, observe your sent items and see if the email bounces back. If it doesn't, that's a good sign indicating that the send/receive process is now functioning as it should and you should be all set. If the email bounces back or you receive an error message, consider reaching out to your email provider's support for further assistance, as there might be a deeper configuration issue at play. I hope this walkthrough helps you get your Outlook 2025 up and running smoothly again, ensuring you stay on top of your communications without interruptions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.